Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
My name's Jacob. Jacob Vile. I do a lot of YouTube videos. How you doing, Logan? Logan, right? Yes, sir. Can you tell me your name and what's in there, man? I do a lot. Four U15s.
Okay.
And then it's on a BRV 11K.
Okay. Is that back here or back in the back?
BRV 11K's here.
Okay, there you go. Nice.
And in the center console, I have two 9Ks and two 3500s. That runs to the back of that.
That's how that was so clean and loud back there. Okay. Very nice stunt wall too. Who built the box?
Daniel Willard out of Robertson.
You know your box tuning and size of it at all?
We really just fitted to make it underneath the window line. It peaks at about 44.
What was your burp score on it, STL?
53.7.
Under window line. Are you happy with it?
It's alright for now.
Thank you for that, fellow.
Nice to meet you.
Last thing I forgot to ask, what's your electrical like? Your alternator, battery?
I got one alternator and two 145s.
Okay. What size alternator?
320.
Olhei pela janela e avistei minha vizinha, menina carinhosa, brincando com a sua geninha. Aí não perdi tempo pra eu ficar assim. Cause he with a rich bitch. Drive my Lambo like a Chevy on some rich nigga shit. You can't talk to my girl, she a rich nigga bitch. Told the teacher I was gonna be on the rich nigga list. Told you black ass nigga, $250,000 on his wrist. Black ass nigga with a bad ass nigga. I went got the bag and now everything is real. Yo.
With no birds, told me watch my mouth, I told him nigga watch your
Got money, retarded. Don't want her if you don't clap when she won't. Ain't too pretty in the face, but she's super thin. I'm just thinking with my.
Click down, I'm talking, thinking with my
that I might be way too real, double deal. Hey, he told me watch my mouth, I told him nigga, watch your kids. This that rich bitch pussy, it's that ain't me here looking. You can't take my nigga from me with your cleaning or your cooking. Drop my venom through the hood on some rich nigga shit. Hey, you can't fuck my nigga cause he with a rich bitch. Drive my Lambo like a Chevy on some rich nigga shit. You can't talk to my girl, she a rich nigga bitch. Told the teacher I was gon' be on the rich nigga list. Told you black ass nigga, $250,000 on his wrist. Hey, black ass nigga with a bad ass bitch. I went got the bag and now everything lit. I went got the bag and now everything lit. I went all the way through hell and back to get to that job. I went got the bag and now everything lit. The bag, I went got the bag and now everything lit. Bag, I went got the bag and now everything lit. Bag, I went got the bag and now everything lit. Shit, rocks around my neck, they match the wonders of my feet. Seen the girl from high.
Thank you for showing me, man. Appreciate the demo. Sounds good.